CC Sisters back again. Week 18, Cycle 3. Hey guys, we're going to get started off with history. So this is a really good song. It's one of my favorites personally. And it goes like this. It goes, tell me about Pearl Harbor. On December 7th, 1941, the Japanese bombed Pearl Harbor, Hawaii, causing the United States to join the Allies in World War II. So we have some hand motions. So on December 7th, 1941, the Japanese bombed Pearl Harbor, and we're going to hula, Hawaii, causing the United States to join the Allies in World War II. Alright, so here goes the song, and it's really fun. On December 7, 1941, the Japanese bombed Pearl Harbor, Hawaii, causing the United States to join the Allies in World War II. On December 7, 1941, the Japanese bombed Pearl Harbor, Hawaii, causing the United States to join the Allies in World War II. The area of a triangle! But what does an area of a triangle equal to? Let's figure out. So the area of a triangle equals 1/2 base times height. So we have our geometry song, and we're going to go ahead and sing it. Alright, so we're going to start off with a rectangle. The area of a rectangle equals length times width. The area of a square equals length of a side square. The area of a triangle equals 1/2 base times height. The predicate. The predicate is that part of a sentence that says something about the subject. Alright, so we're going to join our song from last week, and you can tag along into the Moana tune. The subject is that part of a sentence about something is being said. The predicate is that part of a sentence that says something about the subject. Science! So we're going to continue our song with the Shake It Off, and we're going to start from the beginning, but here is what this week's, okay? What are the third 4 elements? 9 fluorine, F19, 10 neon, Ne20, 11 sodium, Na23, 12 magnesium, Mg24. So in the song it's like, so magnesium, Mg24, so it goes really high. Alright, so here's the song. Let's sing the song. 1 hydrogen, H1, 2 helium, He4, 3 lithium, Li7, 4 beryllium, B9, 5 boron, B11, 6 carbon, C12, 7 nitrogen, N14, 8 oxygen, O16, 9 fluorine, F19, 10 neon, Ne20, 11 sodium, Na23, 12 magnesium, Mg24, Latin. So this week we have et lux in tenebris luce. And that means, and the light shineth in the darkness. So here's the song, just the little part of it. Et lux in tenebris luce. And that means, and the light shineth in the darkness. And our song will be on our playlist below. Timeline. Alright, so we're going to do the hand motions all by ourselves, so bear with us today. So Cherokee Trail of Tears. I like to do this for cheers.
Cherokee Trail of Tears.
U.S. Western Expansion. You're going to the west.
So you go this way, but we go this way.
Mark publishes
the
Communist Manifesto. The Compromise of 1850. You're just going to make a little circle. And the Dred Scott Decision. U.S. restores trade with Japan. British Queen Victoria's. And then rule over India. And then Darwin publishes The Origin of Species. Alright, so here's the song. Cherokee Trail of Tears, U.S. Western Expansion, Mark publishes the Communist Manifesto. The Compromise of 1850, and it just got decision. U.S. restores trade with Japan. British Queen Victoria's rule over India. Darwin publishes The Origin of Species. Geography. Let's learn some geography. Alright, so we have today the rivers in the West. So first one we have is the Colorado River. So it's all the way right here. And it goes through Colorado. Next is the Red River. So it's all right here and it stops right there. The Rio Grande is this long one. It's on the border of Texas, like at the edge of Texas. And then the Columbia River. Columbia River is right here. It's right here. And then the Great Salt Lake. It's this. So it's not a river, it's a lake. And that's geography. Thanks so much for watching week 18. We'll see you next week. Oh, and make sure to not tap, but hit that subscribe button.